we're going swimming. Yay. We just came back from tubing.
Also, it's way prettier here. I'm not gonna lie. Like there, it was pretty. Yeah, but here it's like blue. Like I'm talking like blue.
And I'm not bringing my phone because I don't feel like losing it. So
that's a rumble strip if you're
rumble stiltskin?
No, a rumble strip. What's like the rumble strips to make sure you don't go on the edge of the road.
Oh.
I didn't know that's what they're called. Yeah. But guys, are we ready?
Are you ready to rumble strip?
Guys, I think I found a mermaid. Seriously.
Okay, so out of, oh my god, wait, does it work? Oh, it works! Yay! Okay, so we're in the car and we're going to the avenues and
yeah, we're going to
yay! We're so happy. We're going to the avenues and we're gonna stop. Peekaboo, I see you. Relevance for our trip to Daytona, and he's so excited. Isn't that right? He's so excited. He just can't hide his happiness.
We should play some Lil Uzi.
Chris used to take my cake song that he was hating on.
I don't like to take my cake, but Uzi.
I'll be the judge of
Let's play. Oh shit.
Want me in it? Oh, baby.
Get the avenues behind me too.
So basically, this is.
Can you like turn it around?
I'm
Can
in
you turn
new.
around? Can you turn around?
This is my outfit.
Can you turn around?
This is the cars.
You got my fit check? Like, put it up more. We're at the avenues, stand to the avenues. Yeah, and we're gonna go find Vince. Flip to Vince. We're gonna go get him right. So
Yo, why is it zoomed in like this?
Why'd you zoom it in?
No.
This.
He's not used to it.
Pose.
Wait, no, because this is tough.
This is tough as hell. We did this. Movie theaters, and we have Duncan, and I have
Ava.
Okay. Well, I have Duncan in my bag, and we're waiting for a friend to get here. The movie started at.
Oh, Vince just texted me.
He texted me. It's my phone.
And he
texted
texted
again. The movie started at 11:50. It is 11:56. So.
7.
Oh, 7.
A few moments later.
Ginny drove, and we're in Airy Bra to be specific. We're trying on leggings. Well, I'm not trying on leggings, and she's not trying on leggings, and she's barefoot right now. Wait, they're cute. Wait. Here you go. Period. Give us a twirl. Give us a little 360. Don't sing. We got Sweet Frog. It won't focus, but hello. Here you go. We are now at the 3rd of July, the day before the 4th of July.
Oh, we have to take a picture like that.
We're in Hawkers. Now it might look like I hate that girl, but I don't. I love her. Mwah. 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 Damn, I look drunk as hell.
That one guy signed. Okay, so Sunday, July 12th.
Happy 4th of July! She's driving. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do like makeup. I probably should do like fun 4th makeup. Even though I did that yesterday. I don't feel like doing my makeup. But I do it. I did like Glow Blush.
Running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough for petty dudes.
I like look like Chud, but look at the back. Yeah. We need fire.
Wait, whose is that? Katie, is that yours? Can I let one? Yeah, go. I'm sorry.
Now don't point it to anything. Guys, as soon as you have to point it to something else. Point it off the dog. What does that mean?
No, please don't point it towards my boat. Whoa.
I know both of our girlfriends have bombs right now.
I don't trust it. Boom. Point at the water. I want to see what happens.
No, please don't. Gage, this is why you can't be trusted.
I'm not even holding them.
Don't point it at the water, please.
Gage is an instigator. This is actually why you can't have fireworks. That's my dad.
Wait, don't do it that high. I can't see it on the video.
Both of you having bombs.
There's a blood moon. Look. Wait, hold on. Why'd you like get up?
No, I'm moving my feet.
Can you stop moving your feet?
There it is. Are literally the best because there's 8. Her mom must be packing the candy in these bowls. Yeah. Okay. So I will suspend it and then you can talk and
Welcome to my daily vlog. Say hi. Oh wait, he's typing. He somehow has a rebuttal to what I just said. We're going to Orlando.
You're like, oh, we break up. He's like, no. No, Ava, wait, what? This is my cousin. She clips me.
She does that to me. Okay, we're going to.
She's in Jamaica. She's from Jamaica. Okay.
You know what? I realized I wasn't recording.
I'm just worried because I'm just worried because you guys give me a and I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing or the right thing or.
No, I didn't. There's many things for this. There's many remedies.
Okay.
I think I originally and I couldn't find any.
What's that one brand? And they have like the kids with like the red nose.
Red
noses. The red noses.
So it's
The kids with the red noses.
Kleenex?
Skip the round.
Tissue.
It's Ava.
That's the word, right?
It's Ava. It's Ava. She's the imposter.
I know, but I win if I say that word. Tissue, right?
No. They got me on a ride that goes like upside down.
I didn't even know
For like 5 seconds. Oh my god. I had my eyes closed the whole time. I like stopped screaming. I stopped screaming at a point. Like I did ha, and then I was like. No, I was done. What is this?
I want to see what it is.
Micah, wave for us. That's not a wave. Are you excited? Let's check your height, hon. Check your height. Oh, you just barely made it. Okay. Dang. Are you excited to go on? Where are you going on? It's up and overboard. Now she's going up. We're so proud of her. Okay. Aren't you proud of our baby? Aren't you proud of her? Look at her. She's boarding the ride. Wave! Wave! Did she scream? Wait, that's not her. She's on that one. We're gonna gonna go karting. So very glad that I didn't have to like close like gloves because I got this my little bumper. I couldn't do more. I would not be able to do more. That's for damn sure because it is hot and humid. That's about Florida. It's humid, and I live here. I live here. We're just like this thing is sticking to my arm, and it's so overstimulating. I hate it. But yeah. We are at an ice cream shop. I got a chocolate s'mores. I got chocolate s'mores ice cream.
One was like Ross prices. Like now they have s'mores. And I got pants for $11.
Yeah, Forever 21.
Their prices are kind of like crazy.
Micah, what are you opening? What don't you want? Wait, hold on. Okay, you want that one?
Which one do you want? Honestly, any of them. Not they're all really cute.
I want the pink one.
Well, Micah, Ava, that's not for you.
Oh, it's not. I feel like it's a little street.
Well, I did say because I'm sick. What's the mouse? The mouse is cute.
Oh, what? Oh, this is really cute.
What is it?
It's the elephant.
Why does it have no body?
It has a body, Chris. So you just had to have some patience.
Aww.
Much later.
Well, Ava, we need the hot glue gun to heat up first.
When it's time.
It needs to heat up. Because I'm like over here with my toes, and my toes are gonna be like crowded. Like I want my toes to be like that. Well, we just go down here. It should be fine. Smell like butt booty over here. It says do not enter, but we finna enter, and it's gonna be okay.
Vince isn't having one in my mouth.
So we just got back from Cheddar's. Oh, can we like focus on me? Thank you. We just got back from Cheddar's, and it was.
I'm so.
How was your experience at Cheddar's? Vince, how was your experience?
Let's go. Let's just go. Give me 10.
Okay, so we missed most of our food. What are you?
I want to know what all of that.
Also, for context, we're in Daytona, but you guys already knew that because we showed the beach. So we missed most of our food, which okay. And I talked to it's on my phone.
Oh.
My phone opens the door. But
Don't tell me that. Now they can just steal your phone.
okay, well, I'm not gonna be in the room when this thing posts.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You guys are always in the way. Oh my gosh. Not you.
But
Or that.
I'm not always in the way.
Did you whisper something? In the way. Oh my gosh. When I heard something. No, I heard a little whisper when we were walking by and we saw him. Did you say something? First floor. I swear you said something and I won't say it on my camera.
Okay, so anywho,
Did you?
I talked to a manager and we got like mine and Ava's meal got comped, but Vicky and Vince, they had already paid. So Ava, oh, I'm going down. Wait, I didn't want to go down. Maybe the song for starters.
Shit, I should flip it, right?
This is the elevator I got stuck in. I was trying to take mirror pictures. This is actually looks so good.
This is good.
Last day. Action. Here we go.
Just buzz the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
Wait.
I think I lie for you.
Wait, no, what is you doing?
I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to.
Christian, you got
Controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay. You like
Action.
it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go fast.
You guys laughing.
Like control.
Okay, so now we're going into Tesla Life, which is like super popular for some reason. Dang! They got lots of people here. Look how cute that is. Like, that's actually really cute. There's like little piggies over there. This is like Pop Mart, but like in Jacksonville, Florida. What the heck? What are these? I don't know what it is. Our bags are secured. Vince has his, and he's struggling to open the door.